Hi, my name is Mike Theiss, and I teach my face-to-face classes at the University of Wisconsin Marathon campus. I also teach for the University of Wisconsin online campus. I will be working with you in an application called Microsoft Excel. This data set that we have in front of us from the engine and the diameter of the cylinders is a pretty good data set to use to show you how to use the appropriate functions to find certain descriptive statistics. Now, we know that we're going to be looking for the mean, the median, the mode, minimum, maximum, and the standard deviation on this set of data. Okay? So I'm going to take and I'm going to put my cursor in the appropriate spot, and I am going to go to my function library here where it says insert function, and I'm looking for the mean, and I'm going to change my category here to all, and I'll scroll down fast. A little bit past it, I'm in the L's. They're in alphabetical order, and I have no mean. Now you got to remember that in Excel and in our statistical analysis, I'm not looking up the word mean. Mean is synonymous with average. Okay, it's the arithmetic average. And here is the average category. I have the mouse in the dialog box. We move it over a little closer here. Returns the average of certain numbers, okay? And I'm going to say, yes, that's what I want. Now I'm getting my little dialog box here asking me, the user, some questions. A4 through E4. No, that's not what I want. I want B4 through B23. Okay? And that's it. I'm going to click on the OK button. And I have the average. Okay? I'm going to do the same process for the mean, for the median. And this one I'm going to go to the M's on purpose. Okay? And let me back up a little bit. Here's median. Okay, I know that's what I want. The number in the middle, okay, of a given range or set of numbers. And that's what I want. Let's see. Again, the range expressed up in the dialog box is wrong, so I'm going to take and reselect it, okay, and tell it okay. I'm going to go down the line for each one of my components here, my statistical analysis, and it takes a little bit to find them. Again, now once we find these, I want to remind you that there's mode, and I am going to tell it again the same range. It'd be better if I just kind of copied and pasted the darn range or typed it in, B4 through B23. You could write that down and then you'd have it. The minimum. Okay. Again, all these M's. You got to catch me with the middle of the library alphabet on these. Here's min. Okay. Again, I'm grabbing that range. And the maximum. Okay. I don't want to take an inordinate amount of time, but I think the slower I do it, for the new people especially, they'll get to see how this works. There, that one's almost done here. The standard deviation. Okay. Function library. Okay, got to make sure we know the abbreviations. And if you get a chance and you look in here, you'll find out there's different tools, okay, for standard deviation especially. There's different ways you can calculate that. This will help you fine-tune your ability to analyze if you look at those selections. And here we go. Okay, I have certain numbers. I'm going to align them so they line up and it looks nice. And I can use these numbers to make some kind of decisions. Okay, that's what statistics, these descriptive statistics are for, to help the end user make some decisions based on little analytical research. But don't forget to save your files. Thank you very much. Hope these tools help.